What's up, guys? It's your boy, and welcome back to another video on the Roblox. Let me just turn down my volume, guys, because it's like crappy. So welcome back, and today we're playing another house, I guess, or we're playing another video. See if we're close to the pizza place, and we're close enough. Who cares? Wait, should I take this person's plot? Is this person's plot? Boom, I took it, I think. Yeah, I can't do that. That actually sucks now. I think we're close to the pizza place. Yeah, I think we are. Who cares? I'll just do this one anyways. Oh, I get my 400 buckies, Roonies. I get. This is my house, guys. Remember from last episode? And this is like the bad house. I feel like it's just I need to figure out how to do this toaster, and I think I figured out how to. I don't know. I'm gonna try this build mode. No, I don't want to move. I want to move the canner. Yeah, I want to move the canner. So like one, and then yeah, that's my. Down. Maybe this will work now. I can't make my toast. When I can't make my toast. I guess it's there for decoration. Well, I just look my mood, guys. Let's look at my mood day. My mood is I have no. Yeah, I know. I need to get my hunger up. Hygiene. I need some more energy because you know me. I like my energy. Let me just do something. I also might get these soundproofy things that go in the wall and they make it soundproof so you can't hear the background things. Sorry about that, but I need to get over to work. Actually, should I go to work and then I'm gonna eat something at work? Taxi! 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 Yeah, taxi! I need to go to be taxi. Taxi, what you doing? I need to be there. Taxi. I'm gonna be actually not the delivery person. First I need some food, but I'm actually not new to this game. It's just that, yeah. I think it'll be episode 5 for the end of the series or something like that. Am I there? Yeah, I'm there. Yes. Excuse me, sir. I work here, dude. You serious? Order food. Hey, sir, how did? Pizza slice. Just need to eat. Oh my god. I need someone to eat. I can't sit in these things. That's disturbing. So I can't like eat. Yeah. Hunger's getting up a little, but I need to do some working today. Today, we're just me exploring. I think tomorrow we'll start maybe get building on our house. I think tomorrow we'll start getting building on our house because, yeah. Actually, I don't know about tomorrow. I might do some off camera to get some for tomorrow. Yeah, tonight I'm gonna do some off camera. So not tomorrow, but the other day we can do it. Okay, we need cheese pizza. Wait, add dough, add tomato sauce, add cheese, done. Add dough, a tomato sauce, add cheese, add vegetables, done. Add dough, a tomato sauce, add cheese, add pepperoni, done. Add dough, add tomato sauce, add cheese, add vegetables, done. I need to see how much I get for work, because I just got promoted. Work, I get 54 buckaroonies. Let's see. Add tomato sauce, add cheese, add vegetables, done. Add dough, Oh, I'm out of ingredients. Wait. This makes no sense. Add dough, add tomato sauce. Wait, add dough. Oh, I'm out of ingredients, but not dough. I get it now. Restock. Add dough, add tomato sauce, add cheese, add ham. Done. This will be 2 more. Add cheese, add vegetables. Done. Add dough, add tomato sauce, add cheese, add vegetables. Done. Guys, let me just check on something. Okay. So, pepperoni, I think that's it. I think we should enter work shift. Let's see. I get 110 buckaroonies. Today I'll be working hard tonight and get the money for tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm going to start building our house. Should I be delivery person? No, I kind of want to be a different job. Taxi! I can't. I should probably work on my motorcycle. I don't care. Wait, should I walk the next my job? I guess. I'll be a cashier, and then it'll be like some kind of thing. And then we'll just go to gym at the end of our video, because we need to go to gym to get buff. Okay. Howdy, I would like a. You would like a classic. What? Did. Hi. Okay. Deluxe. Finally. Bro, what you want? You definitely want the deluxe, don't you? Yes. Finally. Why does everyone want the deluxe? We're gonna run out of deluxes today. Oh my lord. Let me just work. Please give me a. Looks like a double. Yup. I'm so happy. Becky dance. Oh yeah. Serving all the food. Oh yeah, serving all the food, man. Oh yeah, serving all the food. Yeah, French fries, blocks, cola. Ola. Rolling up in a new whip. Because. Working all the cash like a moolah. Let me get 2 more like a foolah. Ooh. Ew. Let me just do something, guys. You like this and this. 2 more. 1 more. More. Boom. No. I should work at a gym. Actually, no, I should probably not work at. Mouse is like getting beat up or something. Guys, I feel like there's something. No. Okay, it's not. No. Okay, $163. I think that's enough for work today. I think everyone needs to hit up the gym. I'll be the manager. I'll be maybe a janitor after I go. Or no, I think I need to get some food. I'm actually not gonna get a refrigerator today because that's gonna be a waste of money. I'll start building tomorrow, like the walls and everything. Down, out. Let's head over to the gym. Well, oh yeah, they got the barbells for you, boy. Oh yeah. Our mood's gonna go down really quick. Our energy is, and you see it, energy. Whew, hunger's gonna go down too, I think. No fun. Wait, he's having fun with this? His hygiene's going down, definitely. Smash. You wanna mess with me, bro? Bam! 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 Bam in your face. I think we need to get. Run! Let's go, bro. Let's go. I'll beat you in the race. Okay, guys, I think we need to get home. Taxi! I need to get home. Taxi! I need to go home. Oh my God, taxi! Taxi's like. Taxi. What you doing, taxi? I think I need to shower up. No. It's taking too long. Taxi, hurry up, or else I'll punch you in the face because I just went to the gym today. I definitely need to go. Oh yeah, she looks like a girl. She's like, oh, I think her mood's going up, I think. Yeah, I mean my hygiene's going up. We have about 4 minutes and 20 seconds left now. So hopefully, we just need to get this hygiene up. I don't want to be stinking like a boss. Because from at work, we stink. Bikes and motors make you stink a lot, I think. I feel like it does. I want to see what it looks like, though. Shh. Okay, I need to get out. Okay, let's see. Probably need... Let me get a cup of coffee. Drink that. I need to go to bed a little bit. Okay, let's probably go to work. Taxi! 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 Guys, only about 3 minutes left, so I'm gonna roll it out. Do. Tomorrow, guys, we're gonna be doing we're gonna be starting to build our house. We'll get maybe about $25,000 to start building our house. Well, I'll work on it. And then later in the series, we get a lot of money and all that stuff. For Christmas, I might make might make a Christmas themed. Sir, step right up. He was like, black on that thing? I don't even think that thing is gonna look good, man. I need the black on overalls. Looks like he's spray painting the air. Done for you, sir. I'm only be doing a couple people because I gotta end, guys. So I'm not gonna get much money from this job. I'm doing it for like after one more, and then I'm gonna have to end the video. It's like I'm painting. Moped. Step right up. Step right up. What you like? Oh, that thing not gonna look good. I don't know about it. Change front wheel. That thing is not gonna look good. Just talking, just saying. I wish I can get the BloxBurg myself, guys. It costs a lot of BloxBurg though. I don't have. What? Ew? What do you mean, ew? Please give me red. Fine. I'm gonna do a couple more and then. Okay. Okay, now you're done. Anybody need an oil change? You need purple. Bam. Boom. Anybody need an oil change? Like, anybody's not coming here for oil changes, I guess? Okay, where you at, dude? You like black? Black's gonna look good on that thing. Pink, black, whatever. Done. Okay. 1 minute and about 20 seconds left, so step right up, step right up. Oh, wait, let me just do an emo while I'm doing this. Becky dance. I like green. My overalls. Oh, this is looking good with green, I feel like. Oh, that looks Gucci. Yeah. Let me see how much money I can get from this, because I've been working on my day off. Oh, you like red? Sir, I'm done with this job. I quit. I quit. On my paycheck. I need to get home. Taxi! 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 Come to home! No, taxi, don't miss me. Finally. Okay. Oh my god. I'm going to shower up because I'll give me a lot of hygiene. My overalls. Come on, taxi. You're wasting my time. Taxi. Beep, bop, bop, beep, 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 beep. Taxi's taking like ages. Finally, we're home and need to shower for a little bit. You need to take a quick shower. Work. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the series. I hope you did. So, peace out. and enjoy.